Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show. Today, we're going to take a look at another vehicle out of the 2025 Hot Wheels Silver Series 5 of 5, the series known as the Toyota Series, the amazing Toyota off road truck. This truck is very heavy, highly detailed. Metal bottom. Might be the hardest one to find with a perfect blister. This has a little crack in it, but we had to pick it up to complete the series. Hope you can find these in your local Walmart. Get them while you can. This car and the entire series gets 2 thumbs up from us. Thank you for watching. If you like this, please give us a like, subscribe, follow, and share. Happy hunting to everyone, and more to come.